Hello, my dear students. Assalamu alaikum. How are you? Hope so. You will be fine. So, again, today I'm here with a new video about past indefinite tense. As you know, I have uploaded all the types of present tense, right? So, I have uploaded the detailed video about present indefinite, present continuous tense, present perfect, and present perfect continuous tense. Okay. So, the viewers which are new here, so also subscribe to my channel, okay, and just go and visit my channel and watch that videos, and I hope so that video will be definitely will be very helpful for you, all right, for your learning. All right, so let's start the new tense, which is past indefinite tense. All right, and stay connected with me, all right, because I will upload all the tenses step by step, all right. And also, as you know, I has given the test at the end of the videos related to the all tenses, all right. So you have to solve that test, okay, so that I can assess you that you are understanding the tenses, all right. So all right, let's talk about the past indefinite tense. First of all, the identification, how you identify the past tense. As you know, it is clear from the word past. So it means it will be the tense where the activity will be done in the past. All right. So the identification of the past indefinite tense will be, as you can see, it will be at the end of the Urdu sentences. The words will be like this: ta tha, ti the, te the, and the other words you can see that. For instance, उसने English सीखी. He learnt English. Alright, let's talk about the structure. What will be the structure of the simple, positive or affirmative sentences of past indefinite tense? Alright, the structure of the simple sentences of past indefinite tense will be subject, second form of verb plus object, alright? And this will be only for simple sentences, alright? But when there will be negative or interrogative sentences, then the verb first form will be used and the helping verb will be used, which will be did, alright? Alright, so let's see the examples of the simple sentences. वो क्रिकेट खेलता था. He played cricket. उसने मेरी बिरयानी खाई. He ate my biryani. Alright, he ate my biryani. Okay, so now let's talk about the structure of negative sentences of past indefinite tense. So the structure will be subject, did, not, verb first form plus object. Alright, so what will be the examples? Let's make the sentence with me. मैंने अपना काम मुकम्मल नहीं किया. I did not complete my work. उन्होंने इंग्लिश क्लासेस नहीं ली. They did not take English classes. Okay, so as you can see that we just applied the structure or formula of the negative sentence, and you can make the sentences by using the formulas. Okay, so what you have to do, you just have to keep the formulas in your mind, all right? Okay, so what will be the structure of interrogative sentences of past indefinite tense? That will be very easy. The first will be did and then subject, and then verb first form plus object and question mark. Let's see the examples. क्या मैंने चावल खाए? Did I eat rice? क्या उसने पानी पिया? Did she drink water? Okay, so just like that you can make the new sentences by just using the formula. Okay, interrogative negative sentences will be, the structure will be did. What we have to do, only we have to add not here, all right? So interrogative negative sentences structure of the past indefinite tense will be did plus subject, not, verb first form plus object and question mark. So let's have a look on the examples. क्या मैंने चावल नहीं खाए? Did I not eat rice? क्या उसने पानी नहीं पिया? Did she not drink water? Okay, so hope so you will understand the concept of the past indefinite tense. All right, so as I have explained all the types of sentences here for your understanding, at the end of the video I always give the test for your assessment. So also today is a test for your assessment. Okay, you will solve it and also send me the correct answers in the comment section. All right, so हम उसे अस्पताल ले गए. So how you make the sentence, how you will convert this sentence into English, just use the formula or structure of the past indefinite tense. Okay, उसने अपने कमरे में पढ़ाई की. उसने मेरी नसीहत पर अमल नहीं किया. मैंने मुख्तलिफ मौज़ूआत पर मज़मून नहीं लिखा. क्या उन्होंने अपना वादा पूरा किया? क्या टीचर लाइब्रेरी की तरफ नहीं गई? Okay, and this was the sentences. You have to make the sentences, and this is for your objective. Okay, so this is for objective type questions. She blank a letter to me. So what will be the correct answer? You have to write here. Okay, you have to give the right answer in the comment section. All right. Electricity blank out. Okay, he blank his golden watch to me. Okay, so you can see the options. Okay, what did the prime minister blank? Okay, did the teacher blank teach English to them? All right, so here you can see the 4 options in every question. So you have to just give me the correct answer, okay, in the comment section. All right, so that's it for today. Take care, stay healthy, stay safe, and stay connected.